Alright, what is going on, everyone? We are live right now. Let me make sure. There's a little bit of lag, but I think we're okay. If y'all can hear me, go ahead and respond in the chat. I'm gonna jump straight into the video now. Big breakout to the upside. Inverse head and shoulders has broken bullish. We're gonna take a look at this. The video I just did earlier. We saw the head and shoulders, said it could have a bounce up, and we'll see what. I didn't really have a price target set, but then I did draw the percentage out later, and it's probably, if we hit target, it's probably about 8K pretty much. So I know there's some other traders out there that are calling for 8K. Just getting my bat reward. Okay, but if y'all remember what I told y'all in the last couple of videos, I said if we bounce to 8K, that is going to be the sucker's rally. That is going to be the bull trap. And we may not even make it to 8K, to be honest, y'all. So I was going to try and short this, but it ended up going higher than I expected. I thought it was going to be a lower side breakout, but it turned out to be a pretty substantial breakout. I still think that we do have more room to the downside after this. We're going to see what if we do end up hitting 8K, which would be our target breakout price. But other than that, this ultimately is, I would say it's not as good of a reasoning to say that we are going to continue our bull run based on the higher time frames that I'm still looking at. So let me just see if anyone. Okay, but yeah, I think that the 8K rally is it could be here, and it may take us into Thanksgiving, but I think we're still going to have to consolidate a little bit more, probably come back down, depending on if we do go to 8K within the next couple of days, maybe come back down to 7.5. But this will give other people an opportunity to get into that position that they need to get into, so that they can ride this bad boy up on the roller coaster. So with that being said, I've been working on a lot of stuff for y'all. Right now, I just finished up the website, CryptoTakeOver. I'm going to be doing weekly or monthly newsletters. So it's the first link down in the description below. It's CryptoTakeOver.io. And I want y'all to go ahead and go check that out. Sign up for the newsletter. And it's been nonstop, yo. The channel's been growing pretty well, so it's kind of exciting. But at the same time, I want to make sure that I put out the content and give y'all enough value, so that way y'all keep coming back, and we can all participate in this together, and we can help each other out just like a community should. So with that being said, let's jump into the higher time frames a little bit. Let's go to the 2 hour real quick. So it does look like we still have some more room on our 1 hour to come up. And what I'm scared of here, y'all, is that I was kind of looking at this, and we're still in our red money flow here on our 2 hour. So this may not be a long-lived rally, and then our B pattern wave is coming up above the pivot point, but our VWAP is kind of coming down a little bit too. So just take that into consideration. I wouldn't try to play the breakout here. Take a look at our 4 hour. 4 hour does look like it wants to break up, and this could be pretty pivotal, to be honest. The 4 hour is something I've been keeping an eye on. Let's take a look at B. Let's just zoom in on it real quick. So substantial move to the upside here on our 4-hour. So I think 8K is very possible. I don't know if from there, we could continue further, but I feel like we're still going to have some consolidation. Let's take a look at, I know there was some Elliott wave traders that were calling a retracement maybe too, but that 4-hour is looking bullish. The only thing that might be a little concerning for a pullback would be the red money flow. Let's go into our 8-hour. 8-hour not quite above that pivot point yet. Let's go into our 6-hour real quick. Yeah, and this could be, it does look like it wants to start coming down a little bit, but we did have that white wave, or the light blue wave, have a significant move to the upside there as well. So let's keep going through this. Let's go all the way to the 12-hour. Hey, and if y'all are interested, I do have my Telegram group down in the link in the description box below too. If y'all want to join the Telegram group, I'll probably try and do more live market cipher screenshots for y'all. If y'all are interested in that, go ahead and join the Telegram group. That link is down there as well. And let's see. So our 12-hour, we had our buy there, right, on our 12-hour. So this could be a turning point, not taking it out of the conclusion just yet. I did want to see what we did at 3,500 last time, like how many buys were actually put in on our 12-hour. And it looks like there was a substantial number of buys put down over there as well. What I'm really looking for is just that one big buy signal. So we're gonna hop into the, let's check out the 1-day real quick, see if we have a buy there. We have that 10x long that's been there. Our big green dot down here as well. Let's take a look at our 2-day. Our 2-day, man, looking like it wants to put in a green dot. So like I said, this could be a turning point, but not for sure just yet. I feel like it's still going to want to consolidate just a little bit more before we make any higher moves up. But honestly, let's just go into the higher time frames and check it out. Our red money flow is still down here as well. And I want to say CryptoFace he was still short right now too. So we'll see what happens. So no buy signal yet on the 2-day either. Let's take a look at our day. We had a big buy signal down here, so that would be another significant indicator to put in a buy down here as well. Looks like we're gonna get that green dot. Let's just zoom in here and see what's going on. Yeah, VWAP is just shooting up now, so that should end up putting in that green dot for us as well. Guys, if y'all are interested, I do have a link down in the description below for Rich Dad Poor Dad Summit. If y'all are interested in that, this is a great book. It's changed my perspective about communicating with people and networking with people and just getting to know a lot of different types of people around you and learning how to relate to them, but also learning how you can become business partners too as well too. So and if y'all are interested in candlestick charting, learning patterns and stuff, I have the candlestickpatternsv.com, and they're doing a program right now. And also, if you don't have a Ledger Nano X or a Ledger Nano S, you do want to go ahead and get one of these for your cold storage. And remember, not your keys, not your coins. So check those links out. We'll get back into Market Cipher. Our 3-day does look like it wants to come back up and put in that green dot with a bullish divergence on the VWAP. The red money flow is kind of creeping in a little bit. But to me, this is ultimately looking like a turnaround point for us. So just a heads up. I want to say that that's also gonna create a divergence for us, possibly. Yeah. I mean, we're literally just repeating the same thing that we did at 3,500, and I've talked about this fractal pattern before as well. But once we put in this 3-day green dot, I think it's going to probably give us a another bullish divergence, and that'll be pretty bullish. So let's go into our 4-day and 5-day. All right, yeah. So some big turnaround here, y'all. It's kind of a big turnaround. We'll see if we can make it up to 8K right now. I would feel safer not making it all the way up to 8K right now, just so that we could put in a big green dot down here on our 5-day and 6-day, like I've been talking about. That would ultimately lead us to like that compressed spring that would then be ready to bounce back up. So I know a lot of people are hoping for 8K right now, but I feel like we'd be safer if we hold off on 8K, consolidate down here a little bit more, put in a big green dot, and then it's on, and then yeah, get ready to long. So our weekly, like I said, I want to see a big green dot. I feel much more comfortable with the big green dot, but because as you can see, we've gone from red to green, and then boof, you know. So let's see how we go into December. Basically, I think that will be a decisive point for us. Go to our 2-week. Looks like we need to come down here a little bit more. So decisive moves right now, y'all. I think our 3-day is going to be a decision point when we put in that 3-day green dot. Then to also see how these close here, our 5-day and 6-day, if they close with smaller green dots or bigger green dots, that'll be a decisive moment for us. So, and then in our 2-week and our monthly, we've also I'm not too scared about this. Like I'm more looking at the like the 5-day and the 6-day big green dots, because we've kind of done this before, where we've like come up, put in some green dots and also red dots, and then we've continued to move up further. So like I said, December is going to be a turning point. That's going to be our decision point right there, I believe. And if we can put in a green dot here on the monthly, then I'll feel like, okay, we're ready to continue our bull run. So I'm going to give it a few more days. I'll keep y'all updated on it. I wouldn't expect 8K right now. If we do, then definitely hold back for some retracement. And then I'll give y'all some more updates on some of those big green dots as well. So thanks for tuning in, y'all. I do have my links for Bybit down in the description below, where you can do your testnet trading and see where your profits and where you might want to get in and out of the market at as well. I have my Brave browser affiliate link as well. And then if you're interested in mining crypto from your web browser, you can click on the crypto tab. All right, y'all, I'm going to head on. It's been a long night. Like I said, I got the website running, so y'all can go sign up for the newsletter if y'all'd like. And it's just going to be, just more like value, a lot of content and stuff like that. So definitely sign up for it. Maybe some altcoins, that I'm looking into or whatever. And yeah, if you have any questions or anything, comment down below. Also, go ahead and like the video and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll speak to y'all soon. All right, peace.